You sit down to study, and suddenly your phone, your snack, and even that random speck of dust on your desk becomes fascinating. Sound familiar? Here's a fact that will change your life. 90% of people waste hours studying the wrong way. But what if I told you that you could learn twice as fast and still have time for what you love? Or that you can cram for a test in 1 hour and remember everything? Sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up because today I'm about to show you how to hack your brain into high-speed study mode. Hack your brain's timer, the Pomodoro Pyramid. Your brain isn't built to focus for hours. That's why you lose focus so fast. But here's the fix: short, intense study sprints. Instead of telling yourself, I have to study for 3 hours, say, I'll study for just 25 minutes. That tiny shift tricks your brain into getting started. And once you start, you'll probably keep going. Set a 25-minute timer. Study like your life depends on it. Take a 5-minute break. Stand up, move around. Repeat. This method maximizes focus while preventing burnout. Here's why it works. Your brain craves urgency. If you give yourself unlimited time, you'll drag it out. But when the clock is ticking, your brain switches into focus mode. It's called Parkinson's Law. Work expands to fill the time available. So by limiting your study sessions, you actually get more done in less time. Advanced hack. Try the Pomodoro Pyramid. Start with one 25-minute session, then 2, then 3. Build your study endurance without burnout. Change your mindset. If you sit down to study thinking it's going to be endless and boring, guess what? It will be. Your brain does exactly what you tell it to. Flip the script. Instead of "this will take forever," say, "I'll knock this out in no time." Instead of "I'll never understand this," say, "This is easy. I got this." A Harvard study showed that employees who believed physical work was good for them actually got healthier. Imagine what happens when you start believing that studying is fast and easy. Study smart, not hard. Not all topics are equal. 20% of what you study gives you 80% of your results. This is the 80-20 rule. So stop wasting time on fluff. Instead, find out what actually shows up on exams. Focus most of your time on those key concepts. If you already know something, move on. Pro tip: do a past exam paper first. Instead of passively reading notes, take a practice test before anything else. Why? Because it shows you exactly where your knowledge gaps are. Don't wait until the night before the exam. Identify your weak spots early. Create an exam blueprint by analyzing multiple past papers. What concepts appear again and again? That's what you should prioritize. Speed learning with active recall. Reading your notes over and over is fake studying. Your brain needs tests to remember. Use the recall method. Cover your notes, then try to recall key points. Write everything down for memory, then check what you missed. Use flashcards, but don't just flip through them. Quiz yourself. Bonus hack: the blurting technique. After studying a chapter, close the book and write down everything you can remember. Then check what you got wrong. This forces your brain to actively retrieve information, which strengthens memory pathways. Teach it like a pro. One learn twice as fast. Teach it. Use the Feynman technique. Pick a topic and explain it in simple terms, like you're teaching a 5-year-old. Identify where you struggle. Then go back and relearn. Why does this work? If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it well enough. Teaching forces you to organize information and identify gaps. The more you simplify, the deeper your understanding becomes. Create a study buddy challenge. Find a friend and take turns explaining concepts to each other. Whoever explains it better wins. Use your body to boost your brain. Your brain doesn't store information while you're awake. It does it while you sleep. So pulling all-nighters? Bad idea. Here's how to supercharge your memory. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Your brain will lock in what you learned. Move your body. Even a 10-minute walk boosts memory. Hydrate. Your brain runs on water, and without it, your brain is literally dry. If you're someone who says, "I study better at night," you think you do. But sleep deprivation lowers cognitive function and slows learning. You're not studying better. Your brain is just too tired to notice mistakes. Create a sleep study cycle. Study a tough subject right before bed. Your brain will consolidate that information overnight, making it easier to recall the next day. Environment hacks. Build a study zone. Your brain constantly reacts to your environment. If your study space is distracting, your focus will suffer. So optimize your study zone. Eliminate distractions. Put your phone in another room. Use noise-canceling headphones to silence background noise. Light a scented candle or play soft instrumental music so your brain associates these with focus time. Warning: never study in bed. Your brain associates your bed with sleep, not focus. Create a dedicated study space with good lighting and minimal clutter. Use AI tools. AI tools like ChatGPT can save you hours of studying. With the right prompts, you can get instant summaries, generate quiz questions, simulate exams, create personalized study plans. AI is like having your own study assistant. Why not use it? Let's recap. Here's your ultimate study formula. Short study sprints of 25 minutes. Focus on key topics using the 80-20 rule. Test yourself using active recall. Teach it using the Feynman technique. Prioritize sleep and movement. Create a distraction-free study zone. Use AI tools. Here's a challenge for you. Pick one of these hacks and try it today. Comment below which one worked best for you. I read every single comment. Want more brain hacks? Subscribe to learn how to study smart, not hard.